Welcome to the first music festival.
Sir, nice lab, that's what I was complimenting. So this is looking like a botany lab, where you have displayed all these models and good pictures and posters. Nicely done.
Who is Swaminathan?
And so they have some good specimens and that is not so this is greenhouse just small. And the department is Department of and here also you have put models and they are the ones who are going for this prawn this thing training.
Sri Lakshmi.
These are
How does it work? Good models. Very good. Pros are really experienced models. Yeah, you learn it.
and the out of the very geometry patterns. You have HCL thing where you can just use it for cultural and all of it. In HCL we used to do it in the school time. I'm not
Titration.
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 You have it?
Science director. What is the impact of
That is in Springer and this thing there. Springer and this science and
Srinivas Reddy sir. This is my collaboration. My work I published 8 papers. During COVID also.
different equipment.
Different equipment, sir. Light equipment, mechanics, xerox. So how many covers? Sir, could you make a display? Could you make a? Only limited things. So what is the display on? Sir, all are
they don't have space to display all of
But
them.
you are right, madam, because tells about the product.
Yeah.
Strength of the product.
display for it. But you don't have place, no? You yourself you don't have. You ask them to give you money to construct one.
Yes. They said they will provide
You have IQS, sir?
Yes.
How big is that?
Offer letters also.
How many
Statistics should
how many students in 5-year bunch? In filing sections.
Probably under
View documents.
View document
Yes.
that I couldn't open.
View documents.
Not rala.
అవునా సార్. View document లో ఉన్నాయి సార్. Financial
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, fine.
నేను చూపిస్తాను. నేను
So some people are working and that's why they have This COVID has given me specs. That's the fruit or what result of having all of the time, you know, that I was not using my specs. Students progression to employment. Internship means the internship actually. The internship. The employment is there or a internship? No, this is already you have scheduled date of employment. And this is internship. अच्छा pay but that is not classified under you're asking about DOs and COs.
Good. This is what need to be maintained. There is no something. And how much it has been used.
So this will let him take it out.
Okay.
Similarly, for all the equipment which are in the other department also.
Good.
Next.
Yeah, good.
minimum criteria is or medal in the state, individual. The other things, nationals, all the credit, 84 credits are there. This is the last four tournaments, Adler and as well as volleyball. She represented university twice, Nagaland University volleyball. This girl, she secured the portal department sports quota jobs. 2022 August. And Tennicolt International. Tennicolt International. And three times he represented Nagaland University in All India entry.
This is the importance of one's college.
Yeah, very good.
Ball badminton All India. Sir, ball badminton All India entry.
Okay. Very good. Congratulations.
Sandhya. She is the captain of Andhra Pradesh volleyball team. And she represented youth team. Captain of university as well as Andhra Pradesh team also. Andhra Pradesh youth team, she is the captain. She represented 8 national states and 3 universities here from our college. And now in sports quota she got a match.
Oh.
She represented.
I see.
He is studying in India. Actually, 8 times she represented Andhra Pradesh. Very good, sir. Last time she represented Nagaland.
Oh, very good. Great.
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
She is the kabaddi captain last year, sir.
Oh, really? You are
Big
doing
cup is there, no? She is the captain of the
Super.
team. Now she got 100th rank in AP PSET. Now she is doing BPA. She is supported like anything.
Very good. Come, all of you will stand in the row. Congratulations. Super. All the best.
Applied sciences will outcome. Applied courses.
బీజెడ్సీ కోర్సు ఏజెల్లో ప్లాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి హైడ్రో ప్లాన్స్ అనేది తయారు చేస్తారు అంతకుముందు గ్యాస్ లెవెల్ ఒకటే ఉండేది వచ్చేది సార్ చాలా లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ కాకపోతే మేడం మేము అక్కడ చదువుకునేటప్పుడు మా ఓన్ అనిపించేది ఇక్కడ కొత్త బిల్డింగ్స్ అన్నీ
Same batch, sir. Same batch.
మేడం అప్పట్లో బెస్ట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఇన్ ది స్టేట్ ఫస్ట్ బిఎస్సీ కంప్యూటర్స్ ఫస్ట్ బ్యాచ్
Very nice, very nice.
My name is Singhamma. My name is Singhamma. అప్పుడు కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే కాలేజీ మా కాలేజేనా అన్నట్టు ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ మాత్రం బాగా డెవలప్ అయింది సార్ అయితే అప్పుడు మేము చదువుకునే
బెంచెస్ అవి కూడా డొనేట్ అవి కూడా డొనేట్ చేస్తాం. మా బ్యాచ్ వాళ్ళు ఇంకా చాలా మంది ఇచ్చున్నాం సార్. కొంతమంది ఎంసీఏ అవి చదివి అబ్రాడ్లో ఉన్నారు సార్.